Well, thank you so much for signing up for this course. It's an honor to be your instructor, and I'm so glad you decided to join us. I want to, in this lecture, just tell you a little bit about myself so you can get to know me as an instructor. Then I want to share with you a couple of tips so that you can get the most out of this course. After that, we'll go ahead and dive into learning. So, my name is Nick Walter. I'm a self-taught iOS developer. I've been doing iOS for over 6 years now. And the key thing about me being self-taught is I know what it feels like to be a beginner. Now, I know this isn't a beginner iOS course, but the way that I teach, I try and make things very relatable. I speak like I'm speaking to a friend. I don't use any big jargon or anything. So be kind of prepared for a laid-back approach. Not that you're going to be learning laid-back and lazy techniques in this course, but that, I want this to be a really personal conversation that we're going to have back and forth learning about this. That's why I put my little face in the corner of the screen there, so you're going to see me the whole time. So now I'd like to share 3 tips that will help you get the most out of this course. Number 1, you've got to take ownership of your learning. It can be really easy in an online course to just get into this groove of monkey see, monkey do, and you follow exactly what I do verbatim, and you never think for yourself. Well, that's not doing you any favors. If you really want to learn, you've got to 1, soak in, the information from me, but then 2, sort of take that and extend it. Go out beyond what I'm just doing. So how can you do this? If I teach you a new skill, like how to work with push notifications, maybe take the project that we just made and extend it even further. If I design an app in a certain way, maybe make the app look and feel like your own. Whenever I create a function or a variable name, make them your own names. Don't always do the exact same names that I have. So it's kind of when you go out and do your own thing that I think the real learning takes place, and you're just going to get better and better at iOS. Okay. The second thing to be successful in this course is you've got to ask a question whenever you have it. Obviously, there's great information out there like Google and whatnot, but I never want you to feel like you have a stupid question. We have this awesome question answer system here. If you ever have a problem on the lecture that you were confused on, please post a question. I will be there to help. Other students will probably chime in. We have a really good, friendly community here. And the last thing is, I really value your feedback. I do this teaching full time and I put my heart and soul into this course, so I'd love to hear what you think about it. When you're prompted for a review, I'd love to hear what you have to say. Your reviews mean the world to me. So there you have it. There's the 3 tips. Now hopefully you know a little bit more about me. Let's go ahead and start learning.